Hello, this is Cameron Coldwell, and I will be talking about establishing a workout regimen. So, to outline, first I'm going to talk about my workout plan. Second, I'll talk about psychological constructs that have to do with exercise. And last, I'll talk about how I'll track my exercise, and then I'll wrap it all up with a conclusion. So, here's the plan. I plan to work out 5 days a week. Here's a rough outline. Monday would be arms, which would be weights. Tuesday, cardio. Wednesday, chest and back, which would be more weights. Thursday, cardio. And then Friday would be the leg weights. That wouldn't be like a cardio leg workout. So as a goal implementation plan to help me achieve that goal, every weekday I will set an alarm early enough to where I can get a workout in before class or work. When my alarm goes off, I will get out of bed, eat a small breakfast, and go do the planned workout for that day. So, one of the things affected by exercise is affect. And as we talked about in class, affect is emotions, moods, feelings. And data shows that working out actually improves mood. When you work out, endorphins are released in the brain, which is a natural way for our bodies to feel better. So, working out can increase mood or improve mood. Second, sleep. So sleep is obviously very important for psychological health. As we discussed in class, sleep is linked to many psychological disorders. Bipolar, anxiety, depression, they can all arise if you have problems with sleep. So establishing a workout plan can create a normal sleep schedule. So, if you wake up, get a workout in the morning, work hard all day at work or in class, you come home and you're ready to sleep. So, working out can improve sleep, leads to further improvement in affect. If you have plenty of sleep, you're going to feel better, you're going to feel rested, you're going to feel, alert. And this can help overall mental health. Last, we have learning. So there's current research that's testing how exercise helps subjects perform better on cognitive tests. So the idea is that when you work out, there's an increase in blood flow. Heart rate gets up, more blood's pumping through. So when there's more blood pumping to the brain, which can increase brain connections. You can connect things you've learned, ideas. So you go study before a workout. Then work out, get that blood flow in there, can help increase those connections, help build your brain, and maybe help me learn better. So to track, I'm going to track the number of workouts completed per week. I'll keep a notebook with exercise measurements. For weights, I'll do reps and weight per set. For cardio, I'll track my distance and time. This will also help motivate me. As the reps and the weights go up on the weights, I'll be motivated, and as the times go down on my cardio workouts, that will also be motivating. So in conclusion, I want to work out 5 days a week, and the benefits of exercise, it can improve affect, improve sleep, which improves mental health overall. It improves affect, improves mood, helps you stay away from psychological disorders. Sleep is very important. And it can possibly help me learn better, reduce stress, all that kind of stuff. So in the end, once I reach this goal, my life will be better as a whole, and I will be a better person.